Student, this is the second lecture of revision class for graphical analysis of motion, right? So today we will discuss this question, and this question is taken from 2014 paper, right? And question states that a speed time graph for a car traveling on a straight road is shown given below. In this question they have mentioned the speed time graph. ठीक, speed time graph for a car traveling on a straight road is shown in figure below, and they are asking what is the distance travel during the first 15 second. So during the first 15 second, what is the distance travel by the car? We need to find out in first part. In second part, what is the deceleration ड्यूरिंग द लास्ट 10 सेकेंड. लास्ट 10 सेकेंड के अंदर जो हमारे पास डेसिलेशन होगा वो कितना होगा. एंड इन थर्ड पार्ट दे आर आस्किंग व्हाट इज द एवरेज स्पीड ऑफ द होल जर्नी. एवरेज स्पीड मालूम करनी है. ठीक, तो सबसे पहले तो हमने सवाल को रीड कर लिया कि हमें सवाल में तीन चीज़ें मालूम करनी है. सो फर्स्ट वी विल फाइंड आउट द डिस्टेंस travel during the first 15 seconds. So here they have mentioned time is 15 second. Time is 15 second. They mention here first 15 second, and we need to find out the distance. We need to find out the distance. So if we divide this graph in three part, okay. So firstly we have to divide like this. We have to divide the graph in three different portions. So the first portion is this, and the second portion of the graph like this. Okay, like this. And in the second part, what is the deceleration during the last 10 seconds? The last 10 seconds means this part. Last 10 seconds means this part. Okay, and for this part we need to take another line like this, like this. So draw the line. Okay, now in the first 15 seconds, what is the distance? So here we see this is a triangle. This is a triangle, and we already know the area under the slope is known as distance of a body. Area under the slope in speed time graph, speed time graph area under slope or gradient is called distance. So we need to take a proper shape of this graph. So it is making a triangle. It is making a triangle. And what is the area of triangle? Area of triangle is 1/2 length into height, or length into breadth. Okay, so I call the distance of this under slope, I call this distance 1. So here I write S1 is the distance, is equal to 1/2 length into height. Okay, so 1/2 length is 0 till 15. It means length is 15 into height is 20. Height is 20, like this. Height is 20 to 20. So 2 1 the 2, 2 10 the 20, 10 into 15, 15 into 10 is equal to 150 meter. This is the distance. So in the first part, what is the distance traveling during the first 15 seconds? So S1 is equal to 150 meter. A car travel 150 meter distance in first 15 seconds. Okay. Now what is the deceleration in the second part? What is the deceleration during the last 10 seconds? Deceleration. So what is the formula for acceleration? Acceleration here part 2. Here I write the part 2. Formula for deceleration or acceleration is A is equal to Vf minus Vi over T. So here we see V Vi. Vi is 10 or initial speed is 10, and at the 55 second Vi or Vf is equal to 0. Vi 10 and Vf 0. So we write it here, Vf 0 minus Vi is 10 divided by last 10 second. So last 10 second means 10 times 10. So 0 minus 10 minus 10 divided by 10. Minus 10 divided by 10 means A is equal to minus 1 meter per second square. This is the acceleration of last 10 second. So this is the first part answer, and acceleration is equal to minus 1 meter per second square. Minus sign shows it is a deceleration. This is the answer of second part, right? Now we are moving to the third part. What is the average speed of the whole journey? Whole journey means we need to find the distances separately. First we find distance S1 here. Now we consider that this rectangular part or this square shape part, we call the distance of this part is S2, and then in the last one we need to consider that triangle. We need to consider that triangle. That triangle we need to find the distance S3. So we will add together S1 plus S2 plus S3 to find out the total distance, right? Once we find out the total distance, then we find the average speed of the whole journey. So S1 we already find it out in the first part. So we need to find out the S2. S2 shape is look like a square shape or rectangular shape. So what is the formula for square or rectangular? Is equal to length into breadth or length into height. Simple. So we need to put it the value here. S2 is equal to length is 35 minus 15. 35 minus 15 means 20, and the height is 20. So 20 into 20, it's 400 meter. The distance for this area under the part is S2 and it is 400 meter. So suppose I write it here S1 150 meter, S2 is equal to 400 meter. Okay, now I find out the area under that curve. So it is a triangle. So and I say the distance of this triangle is S3, and S3 is equal to 1 over 2. S3 is equal to 1 over 2 length into height, or 1 over 2 length is 55 minus 30 is 20, and height is 20. Height is 20. So 20 into 20, 400. 400 divided by 2. 400 divided by 2, it becomes 200. So S3 is 200 meter. Okay. Now the total distance is total distance S is equal to S1 plus S2 plus S3, which is 150 plus 400 plus 200 becomes 750 meter. The total distance is 750 meter. The formula for average speed V is equal to distance divided by time. Distance is 750 and the time is 55 second. Time is 55 second. 55. So V is equal to 750 divided by 55. What is the answer? 750 divided by 55. Answer is 13.63. Answer is 13.63 meter per second. This is the average speed of the whole journey. Okay, understand? If you have any question, you will ask me in the classroom. Okay, thank you very much.